You know that pile of clothes on the chair in the corner of your room? The one that's been there so long it basically has its own social security number and a permanent seat at your dinner table? Most of us look at that mess and feel a wave of guilt, like we're failing at some basic test of being a functional adult. We call it laziness, but it's actually a ghost, the ghost of failure, and it's siphoning your life force through a tiny invisible straw while you sleep. Today, we're going to talk about why that laundry is haunting you, and more importantly, how to reclaim your energy so you can finally put the ghost to rest. Let's be brutally honest for a second. You aren't staring at that pile because you're unmotivated. You're staring at it because your soul is clocked out and you're running on the battery life of a 2012 iPhone. That pile of laundry is what I call silent chaos. Every time you walk past it, it whispers, "You're behind," and your brain, which is already managing about 47 open tabs, just shuts down and chooses the path of least resistance, usually a 3-hour date with a TikTok algorithm. It's not laziness, it's paralysis. You've been trying to light everyone else's candles for so long that your own has melted into a puddle, and now even the simple act of folding a t-shirt feels like you're trying to swim through wet cement. So how do we fix it? The first thing you have to do is stop yelling at the phone for not charging. When your phone won't get past 17%, you don't call it weak or broken, you check the charger. You need to realize that your charger is fried because you're giving your best energy to a job that would replace you in 2 weeks if you quit. You're coming home and collapsing into the black hole of your couch because you haven't given your brain a transition ritual. Before you even think about the laundry, try a fake commute. Take a 10-minute walk, no phone, no distractions, just to tell your brain that work brain is off and human brain is on. This simple reset is weirdly powerful because it breaks the autopilot mode that makes you feel like a character in a sad movie. Next, I want you to use the 1 square inch rule. You don't need to fix your whole life or even fold the whole pile today. Just tidy one corner. Pick up 3 shirts, that's it. Healing doesn't happen with a massive firework. It happens in these tiny, quiet moments where you choose yourself over the chaos. And if you really can't move, let the dishes sit. Let the laundry haunt the chair for one more night. The world won't fall apart, and if it does, at least you'll be well rested when it happens. Remember the story of the woodcutter. He won the contest not because he worked the hardest, but because he sat down to sharpen his axe. Real rest, not the numbing kind where you scroll through news notifications, but actual staring at the ceiling rest, is what makes you sharp and dangerous to burnout. You are not a machine or a content factory. You are a human being with a nervous system that wasn't designed for this level of constant noise. You are not broken. You are just overstimulated. So here is your mission for tonight. Do one thing that makes you feel like a real person before you touch that couch. Play your favorite song and dance like an injured flamingo, or cook something that didn't come from a microwave. Once you do that one intentional thing, you'll find that you actually enjoy your rest instead of just feeling guilty. If you're tired of feeling like you're just surviving, send this to 3 people you know who are leaking just as much as you are. Let's remind each other that our worth isn't tied to our productivity or the state of our laundry piles. You deserve to feel alive, not just good enough. Go sharpen your axe, take a breath, and I'll see you in the next one.